my boy. How you doing? Miss you too. I hope Auntie Ngozi is taking very good care of you. I trust her. Did you go to school today? Oh. Daddy's not around. I'll ask him to call you later, okay? But your auntie is here, Auntie Juliet. Do you want to speak to her? Okay, go. Oh, right? Yes. How are you doing?
Okay. Have you eaten? What did you eat? Wow. You really enjoying? Alright, dear. You know you're a big boy, so take good care of yourself, okay? Okay. Alright.
He's missing us already.
Mommy's and daddy's pets.
You can say that again. I think we'll be going back tomorrow.
Why? Because Bob called you?
No. Now we've been here for some time. We need to go take care of business. You know there's nobody doing that for us.
But business is being taken care of. There are people there, right?
I know. Not when you are there yourself. You know? I know you. Left for you. You asked us to relocate to the village of where?
I'm not stopping you. You can even go now if you want to.
It doesn't go into that. Well, you can come with us now. You can come along.
Don't forget about my studies.
See? I'm not stopping you. Nobody's stopping you. It's now your studies.
I really miss you.
You can always barge in anytime, you know. Leave my school. It's true, you see. You need to go take care of business.
My children.
Papa.
I hope you're learning from what is happening in my late brother's house. Child. Just look at what money is costing in that household. Very unfortunate.
Papa, it's a pity. A family that is united is now divided because of money.
Felix is the worst fool I've ever seen. Anyway, that's by the way. That's his own cup of tea. Papa, how did the meeting go in Dan DBC's house today?
You can't believe it. You can't believe what NDBC was saying. NDBC said that money belongs to Felix and Desmond only. And that their mother and sister cannot share from it. Can you imagine that? Huh?
That's not possible. The old man does not know what he is saying. You know, age can be a barrier to anything. I mean, old age is disturbing that man.
I disagree with you, Amaka. Old age cannot prevent somebody from saying the truth. Huh? I think that man has been bought with money. He has taken bribe, honorable bribe.
I believe you. I strongly think so. I mean, old age is supposed to make somebody wiser. How can NDBC of all people behave like that? Anyway, we opposed him. Yes, he's the eldest among us, but we opposed him. I mean, one tree cannot make a forest. He needs our support to push that thing through.
Okay, so let's say, imagine that the company chose our land and paid such huge amounts of money. Then Ifeanyi will say, like, I'm not part of it. And because he's the only son of the family. Like, that's not possible.
See, stop using me to give negative examples. How could I ever do such a thing? Am I mad? It's only a stupid person like Felix that can do such a thing. I can never try it.
Anyway, I am glad Juliet is educated. She knows her right and she can stand on it.
Money. Money, the root of all evil.
Papa, I disagree with you. You see, money is not the root of evil. It is the quest for money. Oko Chicho. Greed, that's what is the root of all evil. Okay, had it been Felix accepted for them to share the money the way it's supposed to, will all these things be happening?
No.
I think I believe you, my son. Yes, Okochicho, you're right. You're right. Greed. Because that Felix, looking at him, he's very greedy. In all respect. And saucy too. Hi.
Honey? Honey? Please get up, I need to talk to you. Honey, please get up. Get up. It's very important, please.
Can we just... Please, I'm sleeping.
Mbao, please, you have to get up. It's very important we talk this night. Please get up.
Please, I had a long day. I need to sleep, please.
Nah, that one... Oh my God, this thing is very important. Get up, let us talk. It's about this family. Please. Yeah. Please get up, oh. Get up. Please, my love, get up.
What is it?
It is about the issue at hand. What is the way forward?
Baby, we just got back from the village and I'm sure Desmond is not back yet. I've made up my mind that I'll keep pestering him till he shares the money equal. That's the plan.
And you think he will do that?
So why won't you do it?
He will not. I know your brother. He's very greedy when it comes to this money. If he has his way, he will kill you and carry the whole money. But I will not let that happen. Not while I'm still alive. It's not possible. We have to do everything possible. We have to fight with the last drop of our blood to collect our own money. That is it.
So what do you want me to do?
I have an idea. Something just got into my head. That was why I woke you up.
Which is?
Police. Police. Sharp, sharp. We have to arrest him. He has to be in police custody between tomorrow and next. Police is the only solution to this problem.
Police?
Police. If we call police now, everything will be settled. Yes. My dear, you don't have to be behaving as if you're the younger one. This man will collect everything that belongs to us. It's not done. And then here, me. We have to stand still and collect our money. Although possible. Yes. See, you don't have to calm down about this. We are talking about money here. You have to open your eyes. You cannot be behaving like he's your senior brother. It's not possible. He has to share that money equally. Arrest. You arrest him. Yes.
Money is the root of all evil. If you let go, money rules the world. Even man don't be at all. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the root of all evil. Can't you see?
PDP share the money equal. No addition, no subtraction.
So you called police to arrest me?
Now one neighbor move. I'm enter vehicle. You don't have respect.
Have respect.
No, let him enter here.
No, let him enter here.
My friend, enter here. No.
Woman, get back. I'll get you arrested.
Don't touch me.
Get back.
Don't touch me.
Get back. I'll get you arrested.
I'll be fine, okay? Take care of him.
What?
Okay? I'll be fine.
Enter there.
Officer.
Enter.
You will call police for me. Share the money. Officer, are you sure about this case?
Yes. No, let him be there. Let him be there. He's a human being. He's a human being.
It is you that will enter the booth. You are a very wicked person. You are a very wicked person, Felix.
Mwagola. Mwagola, it's a purple green. Purple green, Kigata. Mwagola. Mpama. Officer, come here by now, please. I know what I'm saying.
Money rules the world. Even man do be a boy. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makeko. Can one night was in 1 year.
What?
Okwa makeko.
Is that what his wife told him to do? Kate, it's okay. It's okay, please. Stop crying. It's alright. Desmond has not committed any crime. Yes. Kate, listen to me. Just try and go obey him and hear what the police will say. Yes. I'll call you back to know the situation of things. Alright, please take care.
Who was that?
Mama, it's Kate.
Kate?
Yes, Mama. She said Desmond was arrested.
Arrested? For what? Eh? By who? Who arrested him?
By Felix, of course.
Felix Ingem?
Yes. He's still wasking strong. But I know that he has failed.
Hey, Felix Ingem. Can you hear me, Felix?
Felix.
Udo kanyi na cho. Ebudo di organilu na dinunu.
Papa, why is your face like this? Did you quarrel with anybody? Talk to me now. What's the problem, Papa?
This problem between Desmond and Felix is giving me a lot of concern. Could you believe that Felix called police for Desmond?
Police what?
Oh yes. I just got the information from Juliet.
Hey, Felix called police for Desmond. On what basis?
I don't know. No. It's like the devil is using this Felix boy to tear my late brother's family apart. But God will not allow it. Yes, God will not allow it.
That is not even the case. Felix calling police for Desmond will not even solve the matter.
You think so?
I know so.
Police and the way they take bribes.
Papa, this is a family case. The police will ask them to go and settle it amicably, or they charge them to court. Of course, I know that the case will end up in Desmond's favor. So I'm not even thinking about it.
Charge them to court without the services of a lawyer.
Of course, lawyers will be involved now. And I know that Desmond has money, plenty money now. So he has everything it takes, or it will require for him to win the case. Felix,
look at the way you're laughing. Because another man's corpse is like wood. You forget that the money they will use for all this is from the same family. Sheer waste of resources. This matter would have been settled amicably in the past. But for the stubbornness of Felix, I don't know what is wrong with that boy. And he doesn't even have the gas for me anymore.
Don't just mind him, Papa. He's fighting a lost battle. Felix, onye emeri, onye eme na nkịtị.
Chai! Oh, Robert.
You are brothers. And there is no need the two of you fighting over what is not worth anything. If you would take my advice, I would say the two of you should go home and settle this case between yourselves. You don't need to bring in third party into this case.
Oga DPO, I'm not here for peace mission. I brought this man here for you to advise him. Whichever way you can do it. Tell him to give me my money. Tell him to give me my share of my father's property. That's all I'm here for. I'm not after going home. Oh, home guys, we are here. Okay? Tell him to give me my money. That's fine now.
DPO. Yes. Thank you very much for everything. Yes. I'm a man of peace. I make peace with other people.
Peace.
I help people to make peace. Not to talk of my own family. He's my younger blood brother. So, there's no much case. I will go home and talk it over with him.
Nice to hear that. It would be nice both of you go home and settle this case. Because there's no gain in making troubles.
DPO, you don't know this man very well. That's why you're saying all these things. Onyabo, two-face. Forget all these things he's saying. You're a man of peace. You are a man of peace and your younger brother has been asking you for his own money to put in his business. You know full well that he's having problems in his business and you refuse to give him that money. And you're telling me he's a man of peace. Biko, please, I'm saying it again. Tell this man to give me my money. That's why I'm here. That's why I brought him here. Tell him to give me my money. I brought him here for peacekeeping mission, man.
You know it is not within my powers to do so.
But you're a DPO, or your own or OPD.
And I am not a family member if you check it. The only thing I will tell you guys is this. Yeah? If you are unable to settle this case between yourselves, you can confidently come back. I will make papers ready and forward this case to court. Is it okay by you?
Yes, DPO, I am ready anyhow he wants it. I'm ready.
Well, my advice for the two of you is you go home, think over it, and then if you realize that you're unable to settle it, that you want us to go to court, no problem. We'll work it out.
No, warm kasiki. What do you mean now? Okay, by court.
Take things easy, he's your brother.
No, I brought my brother, man. He's not my brother.
My love, you're not going to the court. Because going to the court is like spending the money that we do not have. You won't go to the court.
So what are we going to do? Because the DPO suggested is either we'll go home and settle our dispute or we'll go to court.
We are not going to court, my love. I mean, how can we go to court? All we need to do is to fight him. We'll keep on fighting him to understand that we are not easygoing people. Because obviously, if we decide to go to court, he will hire a bigger lawyer. He will definitely pay him well because he's richer than us. And then who knows? He might win us. So going to court is out of it. Biko.
Desmond is pushing me to the wall. He's playing with fire. And I bet him he will not like my outcome. No, just imagine, the money I should have invested by now, that should have yielded something positive for me, he's holding it for nothing. Why?
No, Mama. Desmond doesn't like our family. He doesn't love you. I know that. And I have always known. I need not to be told. He doesn't love you. If he has his way, he would have killed you long time ago. And then he would have carried on. Yes.
Blood will flow. Obala gawa.
Very soon, blood will flow. Blood will flow.
Let it flow, my love. Let blood flow. I need that foolish man to understand that we are not easygoing people. I mean, he cannot step on our foot and expect us to keep calm. We are not going to keep calm. We can't. What nonsense.
Is it hard to share the money equal? PDP share the money equal. Is it hard?
Rubbish.
Mom, what's the problem?
I'm fine, my love. Mom is fine, okay?
Where will you take me to Uncle's house? I want to see Jackie.
Next week.
No, Mom, that's what you keep telling me all this while. I want to go and see her now, please.
I said next week. Eh? I promise you. Next week, we're going there. Okay? You see her.
Why, Mom? Or is it because he got police from my dad? But the police have already freed him. Mom, please, I want to see Jackie, please.
Not that, please. Far from it. Listen, you can't go there now because it's not conducive for you to see her now. But I promise you, next weekend is you and Jackie. Now come, let's go and eat.
No! I will see her after eating.
And I said you can't see her today. Wait. You see her next week. Today and next week is almost the same thing, so calm down. Come, let's go and eat.
No, I will eat after seeing her.
What kind of temptation is that? You will eat after seeing Jackie. Oh yeah, wait, when your dad comes back, we'll talk about that. I know he'll take you there. Let's go. Come now, let's go. Let's go and eat.
No, I will eat in Jackie's house. I will eat together with Jackie.
Is this some kind of hunger strike or what? Listen, you're going to make mommy sad again. Do you want me to cry? You know I've not been feeling well.
Please, sorry.
Jackie, eat your food.
I don't want to eat.
Why, baby?
I don't know what is wrong with her. She's been wearing this ugly face since morning.
What is wrong with you, darling? Talk to me. Who made you angry?
It's Mom.
Mom, what did you do to my daughter?
Don't ever call my name again because I did nothing to you. Don't call my name.
Okay, I'm sorry if Mom made you angry, okay? So eat your food.
No.
Why? You have to eat your food.
Mom refused to take me to my brother's house to see him.
So is this what Mom has done to you? She has been saying that for the past 1 week now.
Well, baby, you cannot go to your uncle's house, alright? He is not a good man.
Dad, that is not true. My uncle is a nice man.
So are you now doubting your father?
Please, can you take me to his house? I want to see my brother Bob.
No, you cannot go to his house. That's what I'm trying to say. You cannot go to his house. Please eat your food.
No.
What is wrong with you, Angel? Eat your food.
No, I won't eat.
You have seen it. You have seen it. You talk to her. She listens to you more.
Okay, my gelato. Let me feed you, okay? Daddy wants to feed you.
I don't want to eat.
Baby. My shawarma. My burger. Please.
My strawberry.
Yes, I know. Everything is fine, okay? My baby.
What is your problem, Nama? You're late for your lessons. I need to go.
Let's go. Alright, tell me, what is it?
I want to see Bob.
It's not only Bob, it's Bob Marley. Haven't I told you severally they are not good for you? Eh? Didn't I tell you that?
Don't worry, my love. Daddy will buy you shawarma on your way, okay? I hope you will like it.
No, I don't want shawarma. I want to see Bob. I've seen it several times.
Okay, when you come back, I'll take you to him.
I know you're not going to take me to him. You're just deceiving me.
Listen and listen good. I've told you severally, they are not good for you. They are bad people. You need to go now. I'm late for my shop. No, what's calm down?
Calm down. My love, don't mind Daddy, okay? He's just been paranoid. I'll take you there when you come back. Okay, come.
No.
What is your problem, Mama? I've told you they are not good. They are not good for you. They are bad people. Can't you understand?
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Daddy will flow you. Baby, I'll see you.
Obomakeko, Efola Konkoa. Kwamugeni nesokuo, Okweche munanyi binudo nenoa. Obomakeko, Efola Konkoa. Anyukwu adịla mma ma ncha. Anyukwu ebe ọ bụ na anyị bi n'udo. Onye were tụ ibe.
Oh, I've been looking for you. It's time to go to school. Come, let's go get you ready.
I'm not going to school today.
Why?
I'm not feeling fine.
My love. Okay. Didn't tell mommy. Alright. Come, let's go and eat. After which you take your drugs. Okay? Then we'll go to school.
No, Mom. I want to see Jackie.
What's your problem? Is it that you're sick or you want to see Jackie?
Mommy, I want to see Jackie.
Alright, my love. Let's strike a deal. You'll go to school. When you come back, Mommy will take you to Jackie's house. Deal?
Mommy, promise you'll take me to Jackie's house after school.
Mom said that after school, she will take you to Jackie's house herself. Deal?
Deal.
Now let's go. Please wake up. Baby now. Wake up.
I'm awake. What is it?
Baby. Why are you not saying anything about our son's refusal to eat and to go to school? Or does it not bother you?
My dear, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say because going there could be dangerous, you know. I don't just trust my brother.
My love, this is not the time to be saying all this. Honey, right now, forget whatever you feel you have with your brother. I want you to do something. Now. I want you to do something. Yes. That my son's life is more important to me. Do you know he's been sick since morning?
What do you want me to do, woman? What do you want me to do?
My love, I want you to make peace with your brother. Yes. For the sake of our son's life.
What are you trying to say? Are you saying that I should allow him have half of the money? Is that what you're trying to say?
Baby, can you put money aside? Please. Listen, whatever it will take to make peace with your brother, just go ahead and do it. If that will settle this whole thing. Listen, our son is our number one priority.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to him, okay? Tomorrow I'll take him to Jackie and whatever it will cost, I will take care of it, okay? And don't forget that tradition must be obeyed. Can I sleep now, please?
Udo kanyi na cho Ebudo di organilu na dinunu Diku kwasi zechi korono Kanyi biri nunu do. When we try to live in peace, together we shall stand, but divided we will fall. Can you wepanya nego? Can you bili nunudo?
What is wrong with you? Don't come close to my daughter. Are you mad?
But he's my brother.
Shut up your mouth. I don't ever want to see you with this thing again.
Oh my God, Phil, did you just do that? So it has gotten to the extent of you trying to stop these kids from talking to each other. Bob, come. Bob, come here.
You are evil if you don't know. You and your entire family are evil. So I do not want to have anything whatsoever to do with you. I mean, are you dumb? I've told you countless times. Why are you people stalking us? Why?
My God, your foolishness is beyond comprehension. You don't even care that you are in a public place. I refuse to do this with you. You're so ras, man.
You are so foolish. It is you and your entire generation that are foolish and they'll continue to be foolish. Idiots. Every time you be stalking me, is it forced to talk to you? Is it by force? Idiot. And you, the next time I see you talking to that thing, I'll kill you. Go. Away.
I called this meeting because of what I heard. Felix, did you call police for your brother?
Uncle, please tell me this is not the reason you called me home. Because I will not take it.
Felix, you have not answered my question.
And you haven't asked any question either. If you ask me any question, I'm not daft. I will hear you and I will answer you.
Uncle, he called the police for me. But it's okay. They gave us two options. Either to go to the village to settle the matter, or we go to the court. But I'm still waiting for him. I even thought he's the one that's called for this meeting.
Well, this thing is getting out of hand. In the history of this family, I have not heard of anybody calling police for any other person in this family. Not to talk of going to the courts. Why are you people tarnishing the image of this family? Why?
Felix, let me stand up.
I am your mother.
I carried you in this my womb for 9 good months. Oh, give me to Allah. What is it? Are you not tired of the troubles? Eh? Can't you calm down? Oh, get it to me.
Well, I can see you people don't have anything important to say.
And in no account will you call me back here for same issue if you don't have something useful to say.
You cannot go anywhere, Felix, unless you want to kill me. Are you not tired? You have worked out on me severally. You should be tired of this problem. You're not going anywhere.
Uncle, if you want peace to reign, like you said, but this man, konye my money complete, my 150 million, when he's ready for peace to reign, onye my money, he's your son. Tell him, if you want peace to reign, let him give me my money. It's as easy as that.
Felix, sit down. Sit down! Ogenito! Have you not worked out on me severally? Okubegike! Are you not tired of all these troubles? Ogenemegi!
I hope you heard me clearly. Because if I come back again for this money, the news you will hear will be bloody.
My friend, sit down! Respect your mother and sit down! It's time you stop disrespecting me in my own house! Look, sit down, let us put our heads together and solve this problem once and for all!
Oh, you think I'm joking? But you think I'm joking? You people, you think I'm joking? Alright. Afefo, this month, what's up? Next news, go on. I will finish him.
Yeah?
Sit down.
You're walking out on me.
Sit down now.
Okay, William, please.
Hey!
Sit down.
Hey! Felix Ebuom! Felix Ebuom!
Please take it easy. Be cool.
Hey!
Stop crying. Uncle, see, I don't want anybody to bother me again about this issue. Please. I don't want to be coming home for this kind of meeting. I'm a businessman, for Christ's sake. You people should just let me be.
Desmond, I will never let you be. Biko, don't break my heart like your brother has done. Biko, don't you know that the demon that has possessed him might push him into harming you? Imaro.
Mama, I will tell him that the mami water that has possessed me is more than that demon.
Biko, nothing is possessing
Mama,
you.
I will tell him if he tries me again, I will put him to a place. Him and that demon. Mama, that demon they craze.
You know they craze.
Is he stupid? Uncle, that boy they craze.
You know crazy,
I will put him to a place he will never return again.
Calm down, calm down. Don't do anything to him. The best we can do now is to pray for him.
My brother is still proving stubborn. He's still insisting on that same thing.
What is wrong with that young brother? Does he want to invite the wrath of the gods on himself?
Don't mind that fool. He's bringing problem for himself.
Of course.
He doesn't know that my late father is watching him wherever he is. One day, I just one slap. He's just fooling himself.
My son, stand on your right. Don't give up. Your ancestors will fight for you.
Me give up. Me give up on my right. Well, Uncle, thank you so much for your words of encouragement. That gives me hope. But for relenting or fighting for my rights, that can never happen.
Don't. When a man takes what belongs to a child and raises his hands up, eventually his hands will begin to pain him, and he will bring low his hands, and the child will take what belongs to him. So, do not give up.
I even called police for him. Yes. I took that step to call police for him, for them to lock him. I will keep tormenting him till he releases that money. I will not give up. I will keep fighting him. I will not be able to cheer. I am player. I'm not me at all.
You have the heart of your late father. He doesn't find trouble, but he will never run for trouble. When it comes, he will stand firm and stand on it, and must defeat and conquer whoever stands on his way.
And let me go and continue from where I stopped. Please take this off for your snack.
Oh, again? You've been giving me money each time you come here or you come to the town. Do. Your brother Desmond has never given me kobo. He has never given me anything at all. But it's up to him. You come here, I'll bless you as the eldest man in your family.
But this man will move you, don't worry. Since you have me, do not worry. I
trust you.
I
trust you.
Money is the roots of all evil, can't you see? Okwa makeko, ka one night was in 1 year. Okwa makeko, 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 ka one night maybe 1 year. Okwa makeko, makeko.
If you want to leave, then you have only one choice. If you still value your miserable life, sign this check. Sign this check. Now.
Felix, what's the meaning of this nonsense? You came to my house with a gun and you're pointing a gun at me?
Don't worry, Felix. You don't need to go this far. Oh, he will sign it. Honey, please sign it. Oh?
Desmond, you think I'm here for jokes, right? No, you think I'm here to play. If you don't want to join your ancestors, sign this check.
I am not going to sign anything. You can't come to my house and force me to do the wrong thing.
Honey, please, you will sign it. For the sake of your son and I, sign this check. Please, sign it.
Not come to my house asking me to sign a check. I am not going to sign anything. You can't come to my house forcing me to sign a check. Forcing me to do the wrong thing with this useless worker. Yeah? A very local where you are pointing at me. Are you mad?
Yes.
No, you have to sign it.
Your time starts now.
Felix, because it has not gotten to that. Oh, he will sign it for you. Just
One.
sign that. Sign.
My friend, take your word out. Stop it! Stop it!
Sign it! For Christ's sake, take this pen and sign the death check. Sign it! Sign it! Sign it! Sign it!
My friend, no, stop pointing that stupid work at me. You don't do that.
Shut up! Sign! Sign it now because...
Money rules the world. Even man don't be a they would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makeko, ka one night was in 1 year. Okwa makeko, 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 ka one night kata kata. Okwama kego, okwama kego. Money is the root of all evil. Oh, if you let go,
Can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you talk. This again. My own goods. Now, Mike, I can't fan now. Can you finish one? Hi. When? Hi. Okay. Tell him I'm not back.
Obim, what happened? You didn't go again?
The worst has happened.
I hope nobody died though. Eh?
Mike just called me now. He said the van carrying my goods had an accident. The entire goods damaged.
What? Your goods damaged? Eh? What did you just say now?
And it's millions of naira we are talking about here.
Desmond have finished us in this family. What have you done to him? Share the money. He has refused to share the money. Now, he has used his witchcraft to take away the little that we have. Hey!
And the big problem is the money is not mine alone. I collected money from my neighbors. How am I supposed to pay them back now? No, what am I supposed to tell them? What am I supposed to do now?
Hey! Well, this money shall never be well with you. Wherever you are, it shall never ever be well with you. Listen, honey, we cannot keep quiet though. We have to follow this thing. We have to follow it up and solve this problem. We cannot just keep quiet. Ha! Desmond, it shall never be well with you.
Please calm down. Everything will be alright.
Thanks, baby.
Desmond, so nothing was picked from the goods?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I want to rush to see for myself.
How? Desmond, it shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you and your entire family. It shall never be well with you. My daughter, you don't understand. These people have ruined us. They have ruined us. Hi. What am I even doing? I'm going to see my pastor.
Money rules the world. Even Mando Biapo. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the root of all evil. Can't you see?
Felix, what are you even talking about? And yet all you do in the market is borrow money from people. Felix, do you know how many people you have collected money from in this market?
My brother, you don't understand. What's the point of having money when you cannot reach for it? No, it simply means you don't have money.
I don't get you. You're talking like somebody that his brain is shaking. Just throw more light to it, please.
Okay. You see, ever since the company paid I and my brother that money, he has been acting all stupid. He has changed totally.
Do you know I've gone to the extent of even calling police for him? To threaten him to bring the money still?
We're making a great mistake. police is not supposed to be part of this. You know why? It's a family issue.
That's what the policeman said.
If I were you, I would think fast. The reason is because you have not done what you are supposed to do. I just pray your own brother does not act faster than you.
What do you mean acting faster than I am?
Do you know one thing? Have you thought about going to the bank to get the money on your own without your brother's consent?
I cannot go to the bank alone. The account we have is joint account. It needs our both signatures. I can't go to the bank alone to withdraw the money. My brother cannot go to the bank alone to withdraw the money. It needs our signatures, our both signatures before the money can be withdrawn. That's the problem now. That's the meaning of pay me my money, because if he can't go to the bank to sign his signature, that means I won't have my money. That's why I'm saying pay me my 150 million. Because all you want is my money. I don't understand.
You're still not getting my point, and I'm so disappointed. You're just acting like a dump. Do you know you can get to that money without your brother being involved? Do you know that if your brother is no more, you can have access to that money alone? All you just need to do, get to the police station, get a police report that my brother is dead, and you take it to the bank, and boom, the money is yours.
I need to understand something. Are you trying to say that I should kill my own brother?
A brother that doesn't want his own brother's happiness does not deserve to breed. If I were in your shoes, in fear, I would have killed him long ago. The gist about 150 million would have ended. Think, use your brain and stop being dumb. What is a brother that cannot make his own brother happy? Do you know how you have been living in our market? You virtually lived from hand to mouth.
Do you even think?
Shut up, let me finish talking. I am not done talking. Do you know how many times you've collected money from me?
So that is why I should kill my own brother. My boyfriend. Are you for real?
I laugh at you because you don't have brain.
Feliz, you don't want to give me my money, right? Where's my money, Mr. Man?
My brother Butugodi, I will give you the money. One even the story now. If not the problem I have, I could have given you this money since. Bikono.
Now one day shit. I don't want to listen to all this nonsense you're telling me. See, I'm money Anambra. We like money. I like it one day. If you don't give me that money, hey, one day I may go. If you don't give me that money, the next time I will come to this place, I will bring down cows.
One day Butugodi.
Stop telling me to put you. It's not put you. One day, time is money. I need my money. I need my money.
Amam, asirom na mama nyegi Diego. I will give you your 5 million. Man, I want to take you now. Take you no bro problem. Open no bro this stupid problem. Where I think you gonna give you the money.
Onya na call you. Na call you also. One day, if I come back here, the next time I will come back here, you won't like what I will do to you. You see the Diego, poor man. Guy, go and get my money for me. I am very serious. So, I'm not going here now. Not what here now. Nonsense. Did you know Diego? Anumpa.
Selanyo kuo okweche monanyi binudo neno Obo makeko efola akonkoa emwelisio Kwa mugeni nesoku Okweche muna nyibinu done noa Obo makeko efola akonkoa emwelisio Anyukwu adịla mma mancha anyukwu ebe ọ bụ na anyị bi n'udo onye were tụ ibe ya were efugo nwanne m akụkọwa enwere isi gwa m gịnị na-esokwu akwa ebe ọ bụ na anyị bi n'udo n'ụwa Nwanne ọ bụ maka ego efola akụkọwa enwere isi ego dị anya bịa ọ ga-adịkwa anya naba ifugo onye chụ n'ụwa n'ike iyo ọ bụ maka ego efola akụkọwa enwere isi Udo ka anyị na-achọ ebe udo dị ọganilu na-adị n'ụlọ dịka ugwu azịza ejikọrọ ọnụ ka anyị biri n'udo akụkọwa enwere isi When we try to live in peace together we shall stand but divided we will fall Kanyi wepụ anya n'ego kanyi bili n'udo akụkọwa enwere isi Money rules the world even mando bi akpọ They will do anything to get their hands on money Money rule the world This is not a joke Money is the rules of all evil Can't you see Ọkwa makego One night buzi one ya Okwa makego Ka one night mebu one ya Okwa makego Kezi no chiri baba kata Okwa makego
Uncle, welcome.
I will kill you here. Where's your father?
I don't know.
Yes.
Money rules the world. Even Mando Biabo. They will do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see?
Where is your husband?
He's not home at all. He's not.
Where is your husband for the last time? Don't even say he's not home.
Because I saw his car downstairs.
Yes, he didn't go out with his car. I swear to God, please.
Do you think I'm joking?
No.
Now look at me. Do you think I'm joking? I am going to splash your skull on that wall if you don't tell me where your husband is.
I swear to God, please. He's not home, Biko. No, please, I beg you.
I'm going to search for him in this house. And if I find him, you will be dead. You will be dead.
Money rules the world. Even Mando Biabo. They will do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makego.
You a woman. You don't have a say when it comes to the matters of men in the family. You don't. You are dragging your brother's properties. You don't have right. You don't have a say. You're not supposed to to use the money and take care of their beautiful families. You are here, dragging money, talking rubbish. Won't you go and get married? Eh? If I am a won't you?
Phil.